Exposing the hidden risks of metal in MRI scans. Are you ready to discover why this common item could be a hazard? MRI, or magnetic resonance imaging, is not just any regular scan. It uses a powerful magnetic field to create detailed images of the organs and tissues inside your body. Here's the catch. The magnet in an MRI machine is so strong, it can pull metal objects toward it at high speeds, turning even a small item like a hairpin into a projectile. Imagine this. Keys, coins, or even dental fillings could potentially move during the scan, causing injury or distorting the imaging results. That's why hospitals are strict about no metal in the room. It's not just about keeping the machine safe, but more importantly, it's about your safety. So, next time you go for an MRI, remember, leaving your metal belongings outside isn't just a suggestion, it's a necessity. Stay safe and help us help you get the best results from your scan.